Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome on our YouTube channel. Dear student, before I have uploaded one video of the part 1 of this lesson. Yes, and here we are understanding the second part. The link is given in the description box of the first video. Okay, for your better understanding, see these both the videos. So you will understand the whole lesson. Now here we are understanding about learning zero. In first video, first part of this lesson, we have understood numbers up to 1 to 9. Yes, and here we are understanding learning zero. Here you can see this learning zero. Yes, first we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 orange carrots standing in a row. See, these 5 orange carrots are there. They are standing in a row. Along came a bunny hop, and the bunny came there, and then there were 4. And then there were 4. See, before there were 5 orange carrots. Bunny came. Now there were 4 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 orange carrots standing in a row. Along came a bunny. Hop. And then there were 3. Dear student, do you understand? See, before there were 5 and after bunny coming, the 4 were remain. What about 1? Where it has gone? Later on the same. Before there were 4 and bunny came and there left 3. What about 1? Yes? Now see. 3 orange carrots standing in a row. Along came a bunny hop. See, bunny came there and then there were 2. See, before there were 3 and bunny came and the 2 were remain. Now see, 2 orange carrots standing in a row. Along came a bunny hop and then there was 1. See, 2 carrots were there. Bunny came. Now only 1 carrot is remain. 1 orange carrot standing in a row. Along came a bunny hop and then there were none. None means 0. Yes, dear student, none means 0. Now 1 was there, bunny came, bunny ate this 1 carrot. Now there are no carrot left. Understood? Means bunny has eaten all 5 orange carrots. Understood? Now here, come on the next page. Can you see this picture? Yes, look at this picture. There are 5 birds. How many birds are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds are there. There are 5 birds on the branch, and this is the branch. There are no birds or 0 birds on the branch. Can you see the birds here? No, there are 0 birds on the branch. All the birds flew away. Yes? Now, there are 2 flowers on the plant. How many flowers are there? 2 flowers are there. There are no flowers or 0 flowers on the plant. Can you see any flower on the plant? No, means there are 0 flowers on the plant. 0 means nothing. What is 0, dear student? 0 means nothing. Here in this picture, 2 flowers are there, and here in this picture, no flowers are there. Means the 0. Yes, 0 means nothing. 0 is written as, and this is the 0. It is written like it. Understood? Now come on the page number 76. Now, join the dots as shown. Dots are shown here and we are going to join those dots. Understood? This is the zero. Spelling of zero is Z-E-R-O. Z-E-R-O. Here is the written zero. Now we will write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and his spelling is given, name is given Z-E-R-O, 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 Z-E-R-O. Yes. See, now the plants are given. Tick the plants that have zero flowers. We have to tick which has no flowers. See, zero flowers are there. See, here you can see the flowers are there. So, we will not do here anything. See, here on this pot also, on this plant, the flowers are there. Here there are no flowers, so we will tick it. Here flowers are there, so we will leave it as it is. And here on this also there are no flowers, so we will tick this. Now next is that tick the boxes that have zero pencils. We have to tick the boxes who has zero pencils. Here in this box there are pencils. Here no pencils, so we will tick it here. Here there are pencils, we will not do anything. Here there are no pencils, so we will tick it here. Yes. Tick the nest that have zero eggs. We have to tick the nest which has zero egg. There are 3. We will not do it here. There are no egg, so we will tick. 2 are there. We will not do anything. 1 is there. Here no eggs. Yes. Now color the square with 0 in the picture. Where is the 0, dear student? 1 is here, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, star, hash and 0. We have to color 0. So we will color this. You have to color this with crayon, not with the pencil. I don't have, so I am doing this. Yes. Now next, train is given here. See. Write the missing numbers. Now here we are going to write the missing numbers. See. Here what will come, dear student, before 1? 0. 1, 2, 3 is given, 4, 5, 6 is given, 7, yes, 8 is given, 9 is given. Here also 0, 9, 8, 7 is given, 6, 5, 4 is given, 3, 2 and 1 is given. Understood? You also have to do the same. Now let's come on the next page. Now here we are going to understand comparing number. Yes, how we can compare the numbers. Equal. See, there are how many bats? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bats are there? 4 bats are there. 4 number is given. This is the sign of equal. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls are there? 4. So we have given here equal sign because there are 4 bats, there are 4 balls. Both collections have equal number of object. Yes or no? And equal is written as. This is the sign of equal, dear students. Write the number of objects below each collection. These are the collection. We have to write the numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number in the circle. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not equal. This is the equal. We have put the same sign. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is not equal. Yes. There are two locks, two keys. So these are equal. Understood? Now here we will see less than. Jack has 2 balloons, Jill has 5 balloons. Okay. He is the Jack, he is the Jill. 1, 2. 2 balloons Jack has. Jill has 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us write 1 dot for less number of balloons and 2 dots for more number of balloons. Yes? Now here see how they have given 2 balloons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. So this is the point is at less number and these 2 dots are there for more numbers. Yes. So we shall now write the numbers and join the dots. How we can write this? See, this point will come at 2. These 2 points will go at 5 number. We read it as 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. This means less than. Understood? This is the sign means less than. Yes, now we will do some more. For each of these, give 1 dot for the smaller number and 2 dots for the bigger number. Then join them is shown above. See dear students how they have given. 3 is less than 1 dot is given. 7s are more, so 2 dots and we have to join these dots. 2 are there, 4 we will write 1 dot. 4 are there, we will join this. Okay, here 1 and here, so we will do it as it is. Understood? Now come on the next page. See, this is greater than. Arun has 4 toffees and Alka has 3 toffees. How many toffees Arun has? 1, 2, 3, 4. She is Alka. She has 3 toffees. Let us give 2 dots for Arun as he has more. We shall give 1 dot for Alka. See, Alka has 3, Arun has 4. So 2 dots are given for Arun and 3 dots are 1 dot is given for Alka. So we have written it here like that. Yes. We shall now write the numbers and join the dots. 4 is greater than 3. Yes. We read it as 4 is greater than 3. This sign means greater than. Yes. Now here we will do for each of these give 2 dots for the larger number and 1 dot for the smaller number. Then join the dots as shown above. See dear students. Yes, here is the 8 are more, 5 is less. So we have done this. 9 is bigger number and small is small. 3 is smaller number. So we have done it like that. Understood? You also have to do the same. Okay, now activity is given for you. Write the number of objects in each collection. star below it. In the box, right, okay. Write greater than the collection of the left is greater than 1 on the right. See, 3 are more, 2 are less. So we will do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will do it. See, here 1 is less, 2 are there, 2 are more. So 2 dots, 1 dot. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are more, 2 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are less, 1 dot. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we'll do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here you have to write 3, 2, yes, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6. Understood? Here also you have to do the same. 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4. Come on the next page. Now here we will understand before and after. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers. This is number line. In the number line you can easily see that 1 comes before 2. Yes. This is the number line and we can see this 1 is before 2. 7 comes after 6. This 7 is after 6. This 1 is before 2. 4 comes between 3 and 5. This is the 4. It is between 3 and 5. Yes, we can see it on the number line. Fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. 1 comes before 2. Yes. 3 comes after 2. Here you have to write 3. 3 comes after 2. 3 comes before 3 comes before 4. Yes. 5 comes after 4. 5 comes before 6. 7 comes after 6. 7 comes between 6 and 8. 9 comes after 8. 9 comes before 10. 2 comes between 1 and 3. Here I have done this for you. Now we will write missing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes. Now here just we will see I have ion ascending and descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is called as ascending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called descending order. See, when numbers are arranged from the smallest to the biggest, they are said to be in ascending order. In ascending order, numbers are arranged from small to big. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in ascending order. Yes, when numbers are arranged from the biggest to the smallest, they are said to be in descending order. Those numbers are from bigger to the smallest, they are known as descending order. For example, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, here examples are given. Here we will arrange it by ascending. See, 1 is small, then 2, 3, 5, 7. We have arranged from small to big. 1, 2, 4, 8, 9. Now here we will understand descending. First we will take big one. 9, 7, 6, 4, 3. Yes. 8, 7, 5, 2, 1. Understood, dear student? Now here we have finished our lesson. In the next page there is the maths lab activity that you are going to do yourself, dear students. Materials required. See, set of color pencils for each student. Procedure: instruct students to color the parrot using the colors in the sky. See, one number for red color, 2 number yellow, 3 number light green, 4 orange, 5 light blue, 6 dark blue, 7 dark green, 8 pink, 9 brown. Here how I have done it, you also have to do the same. Now value goes based on question. Asha has 5 chocolates. She shares them with her friend. Write the number before 4. Before 5 is 4. And write the number after 5 is 6. And these are the higher order thinking skill. You have to do it yourself. Thank you for listening.